Hello Taurus, and welcome to your reading for the possibilities that are coming your way. Remember that this reading does not necessarily have any specific date on it. Whenever this message finds you, and whenever you find this message, then this reading will be for you at this given time. You are starting with the dominant energy of the drum roll. Wow, the Eight of Swords. So somebody here is in some kind of like victimhood mentality, like they feel like they're stuck, like they cannot move out of the situation, when in reality, this is a little bit of self-sabotaging energy, okay? This is all about looking at life with a new lens, okay? Sort of like finding that new perspective in order to have this paradigm shift so that new doors can open up for this person. So see how this woman looks like she's tied up? She really isn't. It's just denial. There's some kind of denial here in this person's subconsciousness that is not allowing them to see beyond what's happening right now, okay? So if this woman grabs one of these swords representing, each and one of these swords represents a truth. If she grabs one of these swords representing at least one truth, cuts off that blindfold, which is denial, cuts off that rope, guess what? She's liberated and she is free. But this is all about doing what you mostly fear of doing, okay? Facing some kind of denial type of energy in order to release yourself, whether this is you or the other person. This could be, you know, anything as simple as being kind of stuck in this kind of a confusing situation where you don't understand it. You try to analyze it one way, you try to analyze it another way, and you know, it's not about analyzing it with the mind, it's about kind of like feeling it out with the heart, okay? So that's the type of energy that I'm picking up on. Whoever this person is, remember, energies can be in the reverse. Yeah, so there's one person here who is coming across with their heart chakra a little bit blocked off, okay? Some emotions are a little bit blocked off. That's why this person is not able to see the opportunity that is coming their way. Whether this is you or them, somebody here is not realizing that their heart is not really opening up fully. And so when opportunities, genuine opportunities show up, they don't recognize them as opportunities. This person might even brush off opportunities, saying to themselves, you know what, I think this might be too good to be true. You know, I'm not even going to step that way, or not, I'm not going to make a right, you know, in this street, because I'm just going to keep on going straight as my usual kind of routine, just my regular route. I'm not going to turn right, even though my intuition tells me to turn right, that sort of thing, right? So listening more to your intuition, because there is an opportunity coming your way. Look at this. The offer is literally right in front of his face, okay? It's right in front of your horizon, yours or the other person, but somebody here is sort of like, you know, not really either willing to open up their heart fully, or just not fully healed. It's sort of like those type of situations where you're like, oh yeah, I'm over the past. I'm over that situation. I'm way past that. I've already forgiven this person. I've already forgiven everything that happened, when in reality, there's still something here stemming that needs to be rehashed in order to be brought out into the open, okay? Looking at it for what it is. Maybe it's your, you know, a fear, maybe a doubt, some insecurity, something like that, okay? Because I do see that there's somebody here coming across with a little bit of a chip on their shoulder. So let's go ahead and see what this Eight of Swords is all about for you. What is this Eight of Swords? A decision will need to be made this week, a very important decision. You are going to meet a person who is going to help you on your path, in your journey. It's going to be like a catalytic type of situation. It's a beautiful connection here coming in to help you renew and transcend to a higher spiritual awareness, okay? So both of you guys will be teaching each other about one another through either triggers, through either, you know, experiences, life experiences, or through just basically kind of like getting emotional. This is also the energy of somebody trying to avoid emotions at all costs, okay? They kind of place a barrier in the form of, oh, you know what, I don't have time for love right now. I don't have time to focus on that right now, that sort of thing. I'm focused on my career, which is good and all, but this is going to be a very important week where it's going to ask you to really look deeper within yourself, okay? There's going to be help coming your way, like I said, and also patience will be needed, okay? Temper your emotions. I do see big energy here as well. I see the Star card, which is big energy. I also see the sign of Libra, the sign of Scorpio, Aquarius I see here. And also there will be some kind of tower moment, some unexpected news, some unexpected event that maybe it's going to bring you a little bit to kind of like a shocking moment, but this is going to be very necessary in order to end something that needed to end a long time ago. And for you to go through this transformation, you're going to be going through a very, very significant transformation this week. Okay, basically this means that a cycle that has completed itself, it's ready to regenerate. Okay, some kind of profound change that must occur this week for the better. So transformation and rebirth are basically on their way to your life, or maybe you're already feeling those changes right now. You're going to be feeling a lot of changes coming into your life. So become, kind of like that seminal part where you kind of want to play a more detached role. Try not to put too much pressure on yourself, because I do see that at the end of this journey, there will be justice. The universe will execute a very, very precise order of justice in your favor. Okay. Now let's go ahead and see what exactly this Ace of Cups is in the reverse, to see who exactly is kind of like blocked off emotionally. Yeah, so there's one person here who feels something very, very deeply, but guess what? They're denying it. And this denial energy, it's kind of like, ask yourself, is it going to be difficult to love someone after being heartbroken? Of course it is. Why? Because the memories are going to haunt this person from the past, whether this is you or them, but it's also going to be difficult for you to stay closed off on an emotional level, because we're all made up of love. So this is going to be an opportunity for you to really kind of think things through on an intuitive level, not on a psychological, logical type of level. More so bring down that energy to your heart space, to your heart chakra. And if you do need to take a step back, then do take a step back to rehash that energy, to really kind of regenerate your energy. Because here with this Four of Swords, somebody's going to need a break from the world, or maybe you need a break from work, or maybe a break from just kind of like a lot of influences that have been around you lately. Okay, so take that kind of like break for the time being. But let's go ahead and see what exactly is going to go on here as your question. So we're going to be going into the extended reading to see who this other person is, because like I said, there's going to be a person here that is going to reveal some kind of truth to you that's going to kind of let you know that there is light at the end of the tunnel. If you feel like everything has been kind of like a little bit gloomy, someone here is going to start shedding a light into the situation, something or someone. Okay, so we're going to be going into the extended reading to see who this person is, or this situation, what it's all about. But before we do that, go ahead and ask your question. As I shuffle, you will be getting a yes or no answer to your question. So is this a yes or no? But before we do that, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you are notified each and every single week that I post. I post each and every single week for every single zodiac sign. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell, because you guys, when you subscribe, it really helps me and it helps the algorithm so that I can continue posting more readings like these for you guys on this platform. And if you have not yet given this video a thumbs up, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for your support. All right. Is this a yes or no? Drum roll. That is a definite yes. The Nine of Pentacles, coming to success. And wait until I show you what's at the bottom of the deck. My goodness, I couldn't wait. The Nine of Cups, success, success, double success in this situation. Okay, so your wish is being granted. Your wish is being sort of like that energy where you don't know that that door that you keep closed is the answer. That's the door that is most frightening, but that's the door that is going to lead you to your dreams fulfilling, kind of like in the most unexpected of ways. So success is here for you. Also financial freedom. Maybe some of you guys are going to be starting a brand new business, working on yourselves, working on self-love, working on your self-esteem. But this is kind of like being true to who you are and being comfortable in your own energy. This is beautiful, gorgeous energy. It's also a lot of wealth, maybe monetary matters kind of expanding at your favor. Okay, so let's go ahead and roll the dice. As you have here the number 11 as well as the sign of Capricorn. So the sign of Capricorn, do not give up on what you know is for you just because you have not yet figured out how to get it. Okay, maybe some of you guys are dealing with a Capricorn, but this is just the Capricorn energy, embracing that Capricornian energy is sort of like that goat that keeps climbing that mountain no matter what until it gets to the very top. Okay, and here 1111, maybe if you've been seeing a lot of repetitive numbers, 1111, that is kind of like the sign that you are on the right path. So this is also the number 11, which rules the sign of Aquarius, the house of Aquarius. It's very Uranian energy, planning for the future this week. This is the focus for you this week. Plan for the future, progressive change, invention, some kind of potential maybe that you have or something like that. And it also rules rebellion, going against the norm in some kind of thing or maybe a project, and thinking outside the box, doing something here that is kind of new to you, maybe that you've never tried, that you've never done. That's going to work out in your favor this week. Now let's go ahead and get one affirmation message. One affirmation message for this week. What do we have here? I do not have to prove myself to anyone. What a powerful message there. So repeat that to yourself 10 times in the morning and 10 times before you go to bed at night, so that it really sinks into your subconsciousness. I do not have to prove myself to anyone. If you think that you need to prove yourself or be a certain way, to please other people, you have to be none other than yourself. This is what I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you'd like to watch the extended reading, the link to the extended is down in the description box below. In the extended reading, I go into the other person's subconsciousness, their deeper thoughts about you, their deeper feelings for you, their next actions, moves, and more. And thank you all so much for all of your positive feedback for the extended reading. I am so glad that you guys are loving the extended reading so much. So again, if you want to check out the link to the extended, the link is down in the description box below. And if you'd like a personal psychic reading, you can click on my special link that's down in the description box below. I've partnered with Psychic Source so you can receive 10 minutes for only $10 and an additional 3 minutes free. And for psychic phone call readings, make sure to use my special number 26489. Again, that's 26489 when you make the call so that you can receive your discount. I'm not a reader on Psychic Source. However, you can choose from any psychic or tarot reader that you'd like by checking out their ratings and reviews. You can either chat with them online via my direct link or choose a phone call and use my special code 26489 to receive your discount offer. And check out my new video on my new channel, Maya Sky, where I guide you in an affirmations meditation to manifest anything you want. The link to my new channel, Maya Sky, and the new video is down in the description box below. And remember that your monthly readings have all been posted on the channel. You can check out the links to all those readings for the entire month down in the description box below. And check out GinaMoon.com and click on shop. I have new jewelry pieces, necklaces, rings, crystals, and much more for both men and women. Whether you seek protection from negative energies, want to manifest wealth and prosperity, or you desire to find true love, my Gina Moon online store has a perfect piece for you. It's the ultimate collection of spiritual jewelry designed to enhance your life and unlock the power of the universe. Each exquisite jewelry piece is handcrafted with love and infused with the positive energy of ancient wisdom. Wearing these pieces is like carrying your own personal sanctuary, offering you protection, attracting abundance, and inviting more love into your life. Imagine feeling a deep sense of peace as you go about your day, knowing that you are shielded, protected by the powerful energies of sacred gemstones. So experience the incredible transformation that comes with wearing these precious gems. Let its energy align with yours, empowering you to attract love, abundance, success, and more. So check out my online store at GinaMoon.com and click on shop. The direct link is down in the description box below.